Okay, Ms. Burgess, this is a lesson on checkerboard design. And typically you do this with the checkerboard, but I know the checkerboard is huge and I didn't want to send it home. So we're just gonna use the math paper. So I'm gonna show you what to do. So you have a problem, multiplication problem, 345 times 3. We have to find the answer. So let me show you how we're gonna do this. Our multiplier is 3. What we're gonna do, skip 2 lines and count to 3. 1, 2, 3. So there's 3 boxes here, and put 3. Okay, so that's our multiplier. Now our first unit here is 5. So over here, we're gonna do 5 units, just like if it was the checkerboard. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So this is 5 squares here. So then I'm gonna go up and make this into a rectangle. So I made 5 here, just like in the problem, and 3 here, okay? All right, so the next thing is the 4. So I'm gonna go over 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Do I go 4 boxes? Yep. Then I'm gonna go up 3 and over 4 again. Now I'm gonna go over 3. 1, 2, 3, up 3, over 3. So 345 times 3. This is a way to represent that. Okay, we're gonna start here. This is 5 units, and this is also 3 units. So units times units is gonna equal units. So we're gonna color this in. Okay. And what we're gonna do to find out what 5 times 3 is count the boxes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. So I counted 15 in this box. If I'm not in a rush, I can make it look nice and very pretty. But I kind of am in a rush. In any case, counted 15. So I write that big and bold in there. Now for 4 tens times 3 units, counting here, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So 12, okay? But you know the 4 is a 10. It's in the tens place, right? So with tens, how many zeros do tens have at the end? 1, 0. So whatever number you have in here, you're gonna add a 0 to the end. So, because this is 4 tens, 4 times 3 would normally equal 12, but because it's 4 tens, 4 times 3 equals 120. Okay? All right, and now we're gonna do 3 hundredths times 3 units. So hundredths times units is gonna be hundredths. We use the red for hundredths. Okay, let's see what 3 times 3 is. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So 9, but is it just gonna be a simple 9? No, because it's in the hundred spot. So how many zeros do hundreds have at the end? 2. So this 9 is gonna be 900. Okay, so if you have the checkerboard, you could do the exchanges on the board, but for now, I think we're just gonna make these drawings for our equations, okay? And then when you come back in class, I'll show you how to solve with the board, okay? I know that you actually know how to do this. This is just another way to experiment with it. Okay, let's just do one more. So we'll do 213 times 4. Okay, so our multiplier is down here. So we skip 2 spaces, 1, 2. We do 1, 2, 3, 4. 4. Okay, then I go over 3, because that's the units. Make a rectangle. Okay, then I go over how many? 1. Oh, that's gonna look funny. Okay, and then I go over 2. Make a rectangle. Good. All right, now we're gonna do like how we did up there. So 4 units times 3 units. Units times units is units. All right, so let's count to find out what 4 times 3 is. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. 12. All right. Now we have 4 times 1, but the 1 is in what place? The tens place. Tens times units are tens. Okay. So let's count to see what 1 times 4 is. 1, 2, 3, 4. But is it just going to be 4? Is 4 a 10? No, but how can we make 4 a 10? We can put a 0. It becomes 40. All right, now we have 2 hundreds times 4 units. So hundreds times units is hundreds. Okay. All right, so let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So is it just going to be an 8? What place value is it in? Yeah, it's in the hundreds. So we're going to add how many zeros to that 8? 2. 800. All right. All right. So let me know if you have any questions. I'm going to give you a few problems to do. All right. And reach out to me if you need any help.